Hey guys, wanna know how to delete your account in MetaTrader 5? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, simply launch your MetaTrader 5 application. And once you're there, on the top left, you can see this hamburger icon right here. Press on it. Now, on the top left again, you can see your profile. Press on it again. And now on the top right you can see this three dot icon. Simply press on it and right here you can see something known as your account. So simply select it and now there will be prompt saying a confirmation on deletion of your account. Select yes and there you go. Your account has been successfully deleted in MetaTrader 5. I hope this video helped. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.